Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add recommended products to your Shopify store. Displaying related or recommended items can help increase the average order value and improve the shopping experience. On your Shopify dashboard, go to the online store. Once we are in the online store, click on Edit Theme. Here, click the drop-down at the top of the editing page and go to Products. Then, click on Default Products. As we can see, there is a section for related products or recommended products. To add a product to this section, click Add Section and then choose a product. It can be from a collection list or a featured product. We just need to choose the type of product we want to display. Let's place this product here. As we can see, this will be our featured or related product in this section. We add it here, and that's how we add recommended products to the Shopify store. With this feature, we can encourage customers to discover more products and boost sales.